Hello all, today I will tell you 5 reasons why you should make your child enroll Summer Saga at Big Feather International School. First, summer camp improves socialization amongst kids. Second, it helps the child in learning new skills. Third, it works as an engaging disconnect from gadgets. Fourth, summer camp will make your child more independent. Last but not the least, your child will have fun while learning lifelong lessons. Hope to see you all for our Summer Saga. Bye!